Hello, everybody. Let's start next questions. This question is from question number 23 to 25. I will explain, and one assignment is here. It is part 4, part 5, and exercise 15.1, chapter probability of class 10. Now, question number 23. A game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcome each time. Hanfi wins if all the tosses give the same result, that is 3 heads or 3 tails, and loses otherwise. Calculate the probability that Hanfi will toss the game. Now there are 1 rupee coin 3 times it will toss. So all possible outcomes in first 2 tosses, that is head and tail and head and tail. In this way you have to find the options, that is head head. So okay, head tail, then tail head and tail tail. Okay, these are the 4 options. Now all possible outcome in 3 tosses. Now first 2 tosses, these options, these options you have to write, and head tail third option. It's okay. Now multiply this: head head head, head head tail, head tail head, head tail tail, by tail head head. In this way you have to fill this block. Now there are the sample space or events are, these are the events. There the number of sample space are 8. Okay, Hanfi will win the game if all the tosses give the same result. So this is the head 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 and tail tail tail. Only 2 options out of 8. It's okay. So 3 heads or 3 tails, that is the 2 options. So number of event is 2 and sample space is 8. 2 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay. So Hanfi will lose the game, that is 1 minus 1 upon 4. Already we know event, 1 minus event is not event. So 1 minus 1 upon 4, that is 3 upon 4. Got it? Next, a die is thrown twice. What is the probability that, first part is 5 will not come up either time. 5 will not come. 5 will come up at least once. Now check it. In this block there is 5. Okay. In 2 dice, any time 5 must come. This is 5 and it is 2. That means anyhow 5 will be there, and in another die there maybe it will 5 or not, anything it may be. Okay, so in this way 1 5 2 5 3 5, in these numbers and these numbers 5 at least one time or 2 times. How many numbers are there? From here it is the 6 from here and 6 from here. 6 plus 6, 12. This box we are counting 2 times. So you have to, one time you have to minus. It's okay. That means 12 minus 1 is 11. So number of event is 11 and total number of options means sample space is 36. It's okay. Now first point, 5 will not come up either times, that is 36 minus 11 is equal to 25. So probability of 5 will not come either time, that is 25 upon 36. Okay, and 5 will come at least once, that is 11 upon 36. Okay, next question number 5, it is the last question. Which of the following arrangements are correct and which are not correct? Give reasons for your answer. First part, if 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, there are 3 possible outcomes: 2 heads, 2 tails, or 1 of each. Understood? 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, there are 3 possible outcomes: 2 heads, 2 tails, or 1 of each. Therefore, for each of these outcomes, the probability is 1 upon 3. Now check it. Two coins, so head head, head tail head, and tail. These are the possible outcomes. Okay. Now probability of two heads. Two heads, only one time we have got two heads. So it is 1 out of 4. So number of favorable outcome upon all possible outcomes. So, okay. Now probability of two tails, that is number of favorable outcome is 1 and all possible outcome is 4. It is also 1 upon 4. Now one of each means a number of favorable outcome, that is one of each, it is 2 out of 4. So okay, one of each, either head or tail or head. This option means there are two options. So it is 2 upon 4, it is 1 upon 2. Hence, the probability of each of these outcomes is 1 upon 3 is not a correct arrangement, because these three outcomes are not equally likely outcomes. Next part is, if a die is thrown, there are two possible outcomes. One odd number or an odd number or an even number. So, okay. Therefore, the probability of getting an odd number is 1 upon 2. Now check it, is it right or not? A die is thrown once, all outcomes is one die only, so 6 option is there, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and even number is 2 4 6 and odd number is 1 3 5. So probability of even number is 3 upon 6, it is 1 upon 2, and probability of odd number is 1 upon 2. Okay, so therefore this is the correct, and because the equally likely, this event, number of event is 3, here also number of event is 3, and out of 6, total 6, so it is equally likely outcomes. Next, there is an assignment. Now check this. What is the probability of the number selected at a random of the numbers? These will be their average. First we have to find out the average. So, okay, and then you have to check which is the average one. In this way you have to do. All the questions are very interesting question. So, okay, 4 questions and next 3 are MCQs questions. Thank you very much.